Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming. In this video, we will show how to formulate themes in ggplot2 package in R. So we know when we want to use ggplot function from ggplot2 package to plot graphs in R, one option or the chain function called themes that can be used to formulate the appearance of the graph. The themes means it combines the background colors, fonts, grid lines, and the legend placement, and adds non-data related features together in a ready-made form. So we take a look at an example. In this function, first we use ggplot. So inside input is the income. This is the data frame we created earlier. Then use the mapping to specify which variable we want to plot in relationship in ggplot. So here x-axis is years variable and y-axis for the salary variable. So this ggplot function will plot the relationship between years and salary from income data frame. Then the color, gender, shape, gender, line type, gender means we will show different shape, color, line type according to the gender variable. So gender has a two variable for the man and woman, right? So different colors will for different gender, and the line type, shape also different for these two gender. So next is the plus sign for the chain together with the ggplot function. So which means in this work we have to draw a line between these two variables. Point or draw a scatter plot for these two variables, right? Then another function is smooth. We will add a linear regression smooth line on the scatter plot. So next function is scale x continuous and scale y continuous. These two define the breaks in axis for x and y axis. And particularly for the y, we add a label for the dollar from the package scales. Then scale color menu, we add the different colors for these two axes. And the facets wrap is a function with a tilde symbol with a job. This is a variable from income data frame. So this means job values, if they are different, they will put in the different subgraph. So we will take a look at int graph. It will be more clear. And then label with a title and the subtitle for this graph, also with a caption. Then with x and y label and with the color also different. So in the end, we add a theme. Theme will take together for all the background, theme location, and the label color together with a ready-made form. So next, we will show how to implement this function in R. So we open RStudio, then load the library ggplot2 first. Then we set the working directory and read a file from the working directory, income CSV, to create a data frame. Then we set several variables as a factor type. So next we can use ggplot to plot this complicated command together, and we run. So we open Zoom. You can see now different job values, docked driver, engineer, because we use a facet wrap. So they put in the subgraphs, then the title, then subtitle, then caption, and the whole appearance comes from a theme option. Then for each subgraph, the scatter plot between yearly income and yearly of experience. So this is experience, and this is for y-axis for income. And for the female and the male are plotted in different colors and different shape for the points and different sides. And this two line is for the smooth line, come from the smooth function. So of course you can take different themes if you have time to check the documents or help function in R for get more themes, more colorful themes. So you can also get the source files for this video from this GitHub link. And thanks for watching and subscribing our channel on YouTube. And if you have time, you can also visit our website rdatacode.com for our blog on R and statistics programming. And we will also later upload more blogs for Python programming. Thanks for watching.